Jeff Howard here at Rcparagliders, and we have been constructing the pilot and getting all the instructions finished. This is a finished pilot now. This is your last thing that needs to be done, which I glued on the top of the shoulders here, on the flanges of the servos, installed the screws, the adhesive, and all the weights internally. So down in his lower area here, he's full of lead weight, which that gets it up to the beginning ballast weight for the wing. And it's all set up with the switch wires and the servo wires coming out of his back here, as you can tell. These are the servo wires, and then there's your switch and power wire there, which will run back into the harness. And all the wires are long enough. If you want to put your receiver in the harness, you can. Plenty of length, and there's no problem in doing so, depending on the size of your receiver. You can see the screws on the sides. Everything is adhered with hot glue. Very, very durable, and will take punishment and shock load, which is what I like about the hot glue. Chest plate is glued on and solid, and head is glued on. And as you can see, it will take some punishment. Once you, if you want to change out your head, you can. You can just pop them off and re-glue them in. Switch is installed. Easily works from side to side, and labeled for on and off. Works great. Lower joints of his arms are not set yet. Those will be the final thing, which are easy. Once you set him into his harness and get the lines installed, you drill some holes in his hands and install the brake attachment points. But that will be the final point once you get everything on. Anyway, that's a ready-to-install receiver and fly pilot. He is already his initial fly weight and everything else. That's a finished pilot, and on to the next one. A bunch of these are already pre-sold, but we'll have these posted on the website, and hopefully you can build your own. That's Jeff Howard here at rcparagliders.com. Let's go fly.